We'd also like to get you what the New Year celebrations, you all must be curious that they look like. This year is going to be very different. In Mumbai, there's going to be a ban on parties 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. And Tel Aviv, it's a pandemic. There is a curfew. In Delhi, you will see muted celebrations with police permission. So there will be parties that are going on, but police permission is required, and it's going to be far lackluster than any other year. In Noida, the celebrations can take place, but with COVID norms in place. In Bangalore, there's going to be no gathering till 2nd of January. In Punjab, if you live there, 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. there's going to be a curfew till 1st of January, and all these celebrations are going to be with COVID guidelines. In Rajasthan, there'll be no parties, no firecrackers, there'll be night curfew in cities. The markets close at 7 p.m. as well. In Gujarat, absolutely no public gathering. Let's get you Himachal Pradesh as well next as to how things stand. There will be a night curfew till 5th of Jan in Himachal Pradesh. Next up, let's get you Uttarakhand and see what the situation is like. There'll be no parties in public places in Uttarakhand. In Odisha, there will be no night celebrations on 31st of December. So this is going to be a different way of bringing in 2021, unlike different years where you have been partying and bringing in the new year with a New Year bash. But this time, the celebrations across the country are going to be muted. Mustafa is joining us live for the very latest. Mustafa, you're reporting from Mumbai. Mumbai is a city where everyone loves to party and bring in the new year, but this time around it's going to be extremely different.
Yes, of course. We just had a word with Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh. He has clearly said that even at public spaces like Marine Drive, like Juhu, it would not be easy like normal years for people to gather. The only permission which seems to be likelihood is that of people visiting or house parties or dinner plans at home. This is something which looks feasible because the number of restrictions which have been put in place. So even before 11 p.m., it would be difficult for the citizens to gather at public spaces or something, whatever can lead up to crowding. These things will be avoided. Restaurants have been asked to take precautions, maintain social distancing, wearing masks. So it's a restrictive New Year Eve for the Mumbaikars all in all, and they would be under certain guidelines and precautions once they're out of their homes on the New Year's Eve. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, thank you for getting us those details right there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.